August 27th, 2024. It's 85 degrees, going to about 94. 11:30, going through Watkinsville, Georgia. But what we're doing is going to do a review of this Pruveeo dash cam, 4-channel dash cam. It's got a front-facing camera, a left-facing camera, a rear-facing camera, and a right-side-facing camera. So we're going to do a review of it. It looks like the video is pretty good. It's 1920 by 1080, full HD, but the file sizes aren't as large as my other cameras with 1920 by 1980 by 1020, 1080, 1920 by 1080. I'll get it in a minute. We're going to go through Watkinsville here. We've got the left-facing camera turning where you can see people coming up from behind on the right, on the left. You can see Watkinsville over there on the right, and you can see straight ahead the traffic here, and you can see what's behind us, the rear view camera. Well, we're going to get about 5 minutes of video, maybe, let's see, maybe 6 minutes of video. Maybe a minute and a half of the front, a minute and a half of the left side, a minute and a half of rear, a minute and a half of the right side. So y'all can get a idea of the whole spectrum of the 4-channel dash camera. It has a parking mode, it has a backup camera mode. I have not hooked those up yet. I'm not sure if I will or not. We'll just have to see from there. Now what I'm going to do, that's a video, and I'm going to video for about 6 straight minutes, and then I'm going to load all 4 videos. You get 4 separate files. I'm going to load all 4 videos into the software, probably Adobe Premiere Elements 2024. I will cut the front one at a minute and a half, and then edit the second one, the left side, from a minute and a half to 3 minutes, then do the same thing for the rear and the right. That way you will have a minute and a half of each camera channel or camera without me having to do that much editing. Just put it in the software, and at a minute and a half, cut one and delete back to the other and let it pick up from there. And just put a transition in the middle of it. So, we'll do that. How many minutes we got now? I don't know, I can't tell. The screen's so small, I can't see how long it's been recording. Left-facing camera. All of these cameras will rotate. We can rotate them up, down, back. The 2 side cameras can do that. The rear camera can rotate up and down, and the front camera can rotate in its little ball socket. Picture of what this thing is capable of. I'm going to try to get some night video of it. I got a little bit of early morning video, but it was already light, so it's supposed to have infrared. It's supposed to have good night vision, but we'll find out. But I do have my doubts about that. Let's see if I can see how long we've been doing this. I can't tell. I guess whatever we end up with time-wise, I'll just divide it equally into 4 pieces, 4 segments. camera will be one of the, maybe the most interesting to me. Watch these clowns